my channel. If you're new here, this is Core's Life. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you an apartment tour of my apartment here in Southern Oregon. If you're interested, keep watching. I'm going to show exactly what $1,500 gets you down here. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. This modern apartment complex is located in a city called Medford. It is one of the biggest cities in Southern Oregon. This apartment complex is absolutely beautiful and has a great view of the golf course, along with free access into the golf course with the apartment rental. In the apartment, there are a lot of different amenities, including a fitness center, sports pool, access to the golf course, community center, pool table, among many others. Let's go ahead and explore the inside of the apartment so you can get a better look of what it has to offer. My apartment is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment which has a gorgeous view of the golf course. The windows are floor-to-ceiling windows, and there are high ceilings in the apartment, which makes it feel very big and open. I absolutely love the modern look of the apartment complex and also the interior of the apartment. As you can see, this is the living room of the apartment. It has a great open space, enough to lounge around or entertain, and also right next to it is a dining area and the kitchen. So this is a kitchen before I had it set up, as you can see, but there are big stainless steel appliances, and also there's a built-in laundry and dryer unit, which was very convenient during my stay. Next to that, there's a hallway which leads to the 2 bedrooms and the 2 bathrooms. So this is the first bedroom, and this is before I had it set up. As you can see, it's pretty spacious, and there's a nice window that lets in sunlight. Next to that, there's a bathroom, which was the main bathroom that I was using, especially whenever people came over. And then once you walk in is the second bedroom. In that, I have my stuff set up, and this was before I had everything set up. But in general, you can see the sunlight that comes into the apartment, which I absolutely loved. It was perfect for sunbathing and just sitting and soaking in the sun. One of the main parts of this apartment which I really liked was a huge closet. There was plenty of space. It was a perfect walk-in closet to store your things in, which is really hard to find in an apartment unit. In the room, there was also an attached bathroom, which was also very convenient. So as you can see, the finishes of the apartment are very modern. Next, let's go explore the amenities of the apartment. One of the main amenities is the gym, which is in the center of the apartment complex. During COVID time, there was limited use of the gym with regards to how many people can be in there. But in general, whenever I went, I didn't have any issue with having access to the machines. So there were 2 sections, one in which it had more of the cardio machines, and on the other side there was the cardio and also weights. So it was very nicely laid out and separated, which allowed more people to use it because of the separated rooms. Other than that, there is also a community center in which there is a pool table which can be used, and there's also the pool. However, during the time I was living there, because of COVID, the pool was closed access. They weren't allowing anyone to use it in order to be more cautious. Let's also go ahead and look at the golf course. The rounds at the golf course were included with the rental, which was really convenient and very fun to use. I really hope you enjoyed this video of the apartment tour and the complex tour. This is what you can get for $1,500 in one of the biggest cities in Southern Oregon called Medford. It is a gorgeous apartment, very modern, newly built, and it is perfect for anyone who wants to live alone or with their family. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.